Welcome back. Circle has a free trial, and so we're going to start the process by going through the 14-day free trial with Circle. And we are going to sign up with Circle. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to give your community a specific name. And then you're going to determine your community URL. Now, at the beginning, you are going to see some settings that you will be able to change later if that is what you prefer. Circle is going to ask you if you're going to want to make this a private community. And in most cases, if you're going to be offering a paid community, you will make this a private community. If you do that, the other option goes away. What you're going to see is that you can allow visitors to sign up if this is not going to be a private community. However, we're going to make this a private community. We're then going to click Next. You'll then need to go through a wizard of questions. You'll then answer those questions and then click Next. You can choose to start from scratch, or you can choose from any of the existing Circle templates. You will then have access to the Circle platform to begin building your online community. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.